Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is a Shemodern watercolor polish design. So this is what is on my nails. So my nails have been painting for quite a few days. I just kind of kept getting sidetracked, so thought no, sit down and do it. So I've topped it off with this Sally Hansen matte top coat. It's actually a really nice matte top coat. So I'm going to be doing some stamping. So I'm going to be using this Born Pretty plate. So that is the Spring Garden one, and I'm also going to be using this Cad's Chinese one as well. I'm going to be using the clear jelly stamper reinforced one from Shemodern. I need to adjust the camera angle. So these are the polishes that I'm probably going to be using today, apart from I don't use the opaque black. So I just get myself set up, and then I'm going to go in with the stamping. So I'm going to use the pearl pink. Unfortunately, these pearl ones are not available anymore, but she does have a new collection of opaque ones. So but you can easily make a pearlescent polish with the, obviously because they're sticky stamping polishes. So I will just pick up what images I'm going to use. I kept this in real time just so you can see how slowly I'm working. So these are amazing if you are struggling, or you struggled in the past, or you're new. These are absolutely fantastic. They work so well, and they really help change the way you stamp and everything. You really need to sort of like change your whole mindset of the way that you've been. If like me, you've been doing stamping for a long time, you need to sort of like change like the way that you do it. Okay, so with this one, I'm going to be placing the pink onto like the flower bud bit, and then I'm going to go in with the sheer black and do like the kind of twig bits. Do you call them twigs? Anyway, twigs, branches, whichever you want to call them. I will use the sheer black. This sheer black worked out perfectly, exactly how I wanted it to be. You will see it in the video. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So I will apply this, and then I will scrape it, pick it up and place it on the nail. So I will pop some music on and slightly speed it up, and yeah, I will come back. Okay. Okay, so this is the last image here. I will show you what it looks like so far. My camera just kept acting up. I don't know why. I don't know whether it was the white paper towel or what it was. I don't know, but some of this I've had to cut out because it's too blurry. So that is how the design looks right now. So I'm just showing you, I've got some different brushes, different size brushes. I end up only using one, but I thought I would show you the different ones that I got out to use. So these are the watercolor polishes I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be using the opaque orange, opaque white, jelly pink and green, and also the neon red. So I have this like palette thing that I recently brought off of AliExpress. You can use whatever you have available, whatever you'd like to use, doesn't matter. And I'm just going to place them on. So because I only have these very few colors, I thought, well, what I would do is I will use sort of like make different kind of shades of the same color, sort of like add a bit of definition to it. So I go in with this jelly pink, and then I'll add sort of some of the jelly pink with a bit of the white, and then I'll add some white into the red, and then I will add some kind of I'll add some of the red into the purple. I kind of like just sort of messed around with the different shades throughout, sort of like doing this. So I will just mix little amounts just until I was happy with how it looked, because obviously with this design, because I didn't need loads and loads of it, because I wasn't doing like a big area, I only needed small amounts, so it worked out perfectly. So I'll just continue to apply this in different sort of places and sort of try and give it sort of some kind of definition. Do you call it definition? I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I continue to do. I don't add any water to this design, I just use them as they were. So yep, I will probably stick some music on now and slightly speed it up, and yep, I will come back when we use the next colors. Okay. Okay, so here I don't have a brown. So what I did was I mixed my own brown. So I put some of the neon red and the jelly green, only a small amount, and slowly mixed like a small amount of the green into the neon red, just until I was happy with it, because I didn't want it to be like really dark, but I didn't want it to be really light at the same time. I still wanted you to be able to see that there was actually brown on there. So yeah, so I just mixed in just a small amount, very slowly, until I was happy with how, well, with the shade of it. and then I will just apply it over the sheer black. I am so happy that I used the sheer black because you can actually see this. You wouldn't even know that I had used the sheer black. You wouldn't even know. It literally just covered it right up. So I will go in and paint little kind of the spriggy bits, twigs, I don't know what you call them, branches, I don't know. But anyway, I will just go in and paint them bits, and then I will paint the leaves. So yeah, I am really happy with this. So I will leave you here for a minute just so you can enjoy it, and I should be back in a minute. Okay, so this is the design nearly done. I'm going to go in with the clear sealer just because of obviously the stamping. I don't want to wreck this at this point. So I wipe off practically all of it off of the brush and just go over the stamping. A couple of the nails I went over fully just because I wasn't quite sure. You know, I just wanted to make sure that when I apply the top coat, it does not smear it and ruin it, because I am really happy with how this turned out. This is one of the designs that what I had in my head actually came out of my nails, so I was really happy. So I will apply the sealer and then I wait for that to dry, and then I will apply my regular top coat. So I'm going to be using this oily one today. This oily one's really nice. So yeah, I will have glossy and matte pictures at the end. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like it? And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to check out Shemodern, and don't forget my discount code. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.